Oh, another great day at Compare Foods. It's FlyTy and Jacinda for Compare Foods TV.
And guess what? Compare Foods Charlotte has made shopping so easy, saving you time and money. Remember when grocery shopping used to be super difficult? Like first you have to make this list, then you have to drive all the way to the grocery store, try to find a parking spot, and then after you get your groceries, you have to wait in this long line. Well, not anymore, because Compare Foods Charlotte has made things super easy and convenient. Need to stock up on groceries but don't have time to get to Compare Foods? Don't worry about it. Download the app or log on to compareclt.com/shop and order what you need. You could have it delivered or you could swing by and pick it up yourself. Plus, we have great recipes to check out and you can buy all the ingredients in one place. And no matter how you shop, don't forget your points, your Compare Club points. You earn 1 point for every dollar you spend. And that cash adds up to money off your next shopping trip. And if you hate standing in long lines and only have a few items, then make sure you come over to our Compare Foods Charlotte self-checkout registers. Super easy to use and very fast and convenient so you can get to your next appointment.
Compare Foods Charlotte, making it easier to shop for all your favorite foods at great prices. I'm done.
That was easy. Nobody knows the neighborhood like Compare Foods.
Come on!
Hey!